Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and you're on Rush Raymore Reviews. So we're here with another video. Today we're looking at a apartment update. I know you probably see that in your title for the video. I've only covered that apartment only once, so I'm just gonna do an update as well. So definitely stay tuned for that. And first of all, if you're new, click that subscribe button. Turn that subscribe button gray. It doesn't cost anything. Join the Rush Raymore Reviews family. Remember to like the video as well. Remember to comment and also share the video. So we're currently on Perkins Boulevard, Kingston. That's where we at. So we're getting closer to the apartment complex that we're gonna take an update look on. I'll show you guys an updated video on. So stay tuned guys. What I'll do as well is to put the link for the first video I did in the comment section and in the descriptions as well. So we just passed Perkins Estate. It's on the right. A small community, mainly townhouses. Alright guys, so I'll put the first video I did in the comments and in the description as well. So stay tuned guys and enjoy the drive and the apartment update. Alright guys, so this is where we're heading. So the last time we came here there weren't any color on the building, so it's now painted. I can bet they're in the final phases of full completion. So that's where we're at today. I'll eventually step outside and show you guys a little glimpse around the area. And again, it's on Perkins Boulevard. Let me zoom in a little bit. Alright, so and again, this apartment is right off Perkins Boulevard. The name of it is Silverbrook Apartment Complex. So that's the name of it as well. Not very large, but still very good size. Three floors per cluster. That's how tall the buildings are. Alright, so the next clip you'll see is just a quick look around from the outside. Alright guys, there you have it, some glimpses of the Silverbrook on Perkins Boulevard, Kingston. Alright, so let me know what you guys think about the colors as usual, the design, what else, the layout, the location as well. Let me know what you guys think. That's something we always talk about when we do our apartment videos, so let us know in the comment section. For the price, I don't have the price right at hand, but I know some of the amenities, you know, pool, gym, parking underground, those are some of the amenities as well, security, stuff like that. But we know for all these apartments going up, it's nothing less than 25 mil Jamaican, so we know that for sure. But let me know what you think about the design, the color, the location, and everything. So let me know in the comment section, and I'll just finish off the video just continuing down along Perkins Boulevard. So stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the drive, and thanks for clicking on the video. Thanks for all your support. The channel just passed 5,000 subscribers. Couldn't have happened without you guys. And remember to like, remember to comment, remember to also share the video as well.